everyone, it's Taco Tuesday, and one of my favorite foods is Mexican. In our family, we eat it at least 3 to 4 times per week. So recently, I was inspired to make these surf and turf tacos, and I had already pre-sliced my steak meat along with some shrimp, and I marinated them with a little salt and pepper, lime juice, and these Grill Mates chipotle and roasted garlic seasoning. To a heated pan, I added some butter, and then I cooked my steak meat for about 5 minutes. Once they were done, I removed them and added some more butter, and I sauteed my shrimp until they were pink all the way through. To the same pan drippings, I added my small flour tortillas, ensuring to sop up all the flavors. Next, I added some Mexican cheeses, a few pieces of steak and shrimps. Then I added some pico de gallo and cilantro before closing them with a spatula. Finally, I made my sauce, which just consists of a combination of sour cream and salsa. And this is my spin on things. Now you complete the cuisine.